My name is Matěj Macháček and I am Prague-based painter. And the exhibition is titled The Loving Forest and Slices of the Transient World. The whole exhibition presents a new body of my work, which is focused mostly on the post-human life and transcendence, like a mythical life, a mythical landscape which is like dreamy from the humans. In 2015, I exchanged in TNUA, in Taiwan National University of Arts in Taipei, and it was a really important moment for my art that I discovered really big sheets of paper, which allows me to express in the grander scale than before. Every time I paint, I felt it's important for the viewers kind of feel the perspective from the painting which you can enter into the painting. The really important moment when I changed the colors was in 2020 and 2021, the time when the COVID started in Prague, and I faced the situation that it's pretty hard for the artists in the time to have an exhibition or to invite some guests to the studio. So I want to experiment in the painting something I've ever done before and try to combine those colors which are really iconic for my work now. It's kind of the bluish, emerald, contrasting with really deep orange color in the background. Most of the motifs and the landscapes I'm using in my paintings are a combination of the landscapes and the environment from my childhood and from my parents' garden, and some of the places are moments from the places I've been to during my travelings. And I always want to express like those memories, but in kind of a different way. To transfer the colors and the compositions to make them more like a symbolic landscape in my way. The way that you are an architect of the new landscape, which the person can enter and forget about everything, or some place you can hide yourself, or you can think about some intimate moments which you want to just experience alone without the rest of the world. So I want the painting and the landscape have the eternity after I'm not here or the humans are not here. So it's something stronger for me, that the skin of the nature has the power and the ability to talk, not that loud, maybe not that fast, but with a really long period of the time.